What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So this is the third video we are doing in this new thing. I made a new watch list based off Wall Street and the spot ETFs. Currently we have the Bitcoin spot ETF, we have the Ethereum spot ETF, and whispers are saying they're going for the Solana spot ETF. So you already know Wall Street's probably picking this thing up. So we're going to look at this chart as if we are a hedge fund, and we're going to just pay attention to the daily and the weekly. To my knowledge, that's really what they do. They'll buy, they'll hold. They won't really care about the 4 hour. They won't care that much about the 1 hour. They won't look at the 15-minute, and they sure as heck aren't looking at lower time frames. So usually the daily and the weekly will give you a good idea of where this market could be going. Also, for those of you who absolutely hated the price movements for the last 2 weeks, I'm right there with you. I feel it. Anyways, we are going to look at this as a little different than what we normally would. So we're going to look at things as a range. Going from this particular high right here, because you see the big wick, and then we're going to go to that candle low close, because it looks like that candle low close is actually significant. So right down here, candle low closes, and now we're just going to pull this thing across to see how it is playing with the rest of the price action. Wow. So anybody who thought things were going bad, we are range bound. This gives you some perspective when it comes to your trades right here. I'll tell you what. But dang, that is one heck of a range. What? And then I guess we have a level of support right below it. Solana looks pretty darn decent to me. Right here is that level of support slash resistance. We get below that, could become a real problem, because then we're looking at that $78. So here's what I see on Solana. It's kind of weird we didn't manage to test the top of this channel, considering how well it interacted with it so far. Right there. How well it interacted with it so far. We haven't tested the top, which is quite interesting to me, but we did something very bullish. We actually back tested the 50 simple on the weekly, which is fantastic. We're currently back testing the lower part of this channel, which is even better. So that's so far what I see out of Solana. Let's go down to your daily. Your daily looks fantastic. Are we serious? Even Bitcoin has a death cross on it, but not Solana. Solana, no death cross. If we start rallying this weekend, we can avoid a death cross. Well, color me surprised. Solana looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now, also another thing I'm noticing with Solana, you have this right here. That right there. This is posing to be serious support and resistance. That is amazing. And yeah, currently we are just descending triangle-esque, but this relative strength sitting in the bearish control zone, it could literally go either way. We could see a rally, we could see a dump, but we are finding absolutely massive support off of this 150, well, this little area in between 115 and 138. 115 to 138, we're finding great support. So it would not surprise me whatsoever if we did get some form of continuation to the upside, which could look something relative like this. And we could see Solana trying to get up to $260. But I do believe 260, that's fighting for all-time highs. Solana looks poised for greatness. It has all the makings of a varsity athlete if Bitcoin just stops having such irregular moves. And going into the final quarter of the year, I think Solana's about to do some damage. Solana might do something very, very good, which I love to see it. I just really want to see it. We can actually look at this as some form of bull flag. So the reason why I say some form is because we have all these crazy wicks to the downside, like wick, 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 wick. But overall, the structure kind of looks like a bull flag. And yeah, we could definitely see that rise to the upside. Very cool. Very cool. I actually haven't recharted Solana, so this is the first time I'm seeing it, and this makes me happy. Anyways, if you do want a chance to trade crypto if you don't have an exchange, please check out our partners, Fairdesk as well as Jumpex. Jumpex currently has more incentives because it just does. But you have rebates on your trades. You also have tons of tokens that you can actually spot trade, as well as plenty of options for futures trading. On top of that, you have deposit bonuses, no KYC, no VPN is needed. So if you want Uncle Sam's to stay out of your pockets, that's one way you can do it. Might be a good idea to file your taxes. Full disclaimer. Don't come after me, government. But they are an option. And on top of that, say you just don't understand trading crypto and you want to get exposed to it, there is the option of copy trading where you do copy my trades. However, there is a caveat. It does help the channel by way of you get 90% of the winnings. I get 10%. It's a nice little commission base, but noted, I'm not a 100% trader, so only put in there what you're willing to lose. And you can go as low as $100, I believe. And you can also put limits on how much you put into each trade just for a little added safety feature. You can check in on it usually every week and see how we're doing. Noted, if you're losing money, I am too, and it's not fun. Anyways, that's full disclaimer on those partnerships. Catch me live on Twitch. My Twitch is going to be linked in the description below. Also, join the Discord. Link is down there as well. It's a great community, a bunch of like-minded individuals. We're all just trying to make a buck out of this crazy crypto world. But yeah, if you do actually like this style of content where I'm just basically covering these top 3 coins for now, every day, every other day, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna see how it goes. But the longer we trade sideways, every other day. But yeah, definitely tell me in the comments below. And other than that, I have nothing else to say. So, hopefully your stop losses are tight. Hopefully your trades are going well. I'll catch you in the next one. Catch you later.